everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Every Day, where learning English is super easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jason. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Jason. The sun is shining. I've got my cup of tea. It's a perfect day. How about you?
I'm fantastic. And honestly, I'm very excited about today's topic. It's a big one.
Oh, yes, a very big one. But before we begin, everyone watching, please give this episode a like.
Yes, click that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
All right. Ready, Jason?
I'm so ready. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about something almost every English learner struggles with: how to stop translating in your head.
Yes, translating. I remember this. You hear something in English.
And your brain goes, wait, what does that mean in my language?
Exactly. You translate to your language first. Then, you translate back to English to answer. It becomes a whole complicated system.
Yes, English to your language to English. It's like your brain is doing extra homework.
And honestly, it's exhausting. But most importantly, it's slow.
Very slow. Imagine someone asks you, how are you? But while you're translating, they're already talking about something else.
Right. You feel like you're always one step behind in the conversation.
Another problem is that languages don't match perfectly.
Exactly. One word in English may have many meanings. Or sometimes, your language has a word that simply doesn't exist in English.
So when you translate word for word, it can sound strange or completely wrong.
Which is why the real goal is to think directly in English.
Yes, no detours, no middle step. Just a direct road from your brain to English to your mouth.
That sounds amazing. And yes, we have simple tips to help you do that, right?
Of course. Let's start with tip number 1. Start with single words. Only words.
Okay, like what?
Just look around you right now. What do you see?
I see my desk, a lamp, and I'm holding a pen.
Perfect. When you look at your pen, don't think of it in your language. Just think pen.
So I see the object, and my brain says the English word instantly.
Exactly. Door, window, table, cup. You're basically labeling your world in English.
I love that, like being my own English labeling machine.
Yes! Do this for just 5 minutes a day. This builds a strong, direct connection. Object to English word. No translation needed. Tip number 2.
I love pictures. How do they help?
Use flashcards. On one side, put a picture, like a bright yellow sun.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
On the other side, write the word sun.
So I look at the picture, and my brain thinks sun, not the word in my language.
Yes, pictures are powerful because they help you connect the English word directly to the image, not to your mother tongue.
That's brilliant. It's the same idea as naming objects, but you can actually carry the flashcards with you.
Yes, and you can learn so many things with pictures. Animals, a dog, a cat, a bird, food, an apple, a banana.
And the picture really helps your brain remember. A picture is universal. An apple looks like an apple everywhere in the world.
Exactly. So you connect that universal image directly to the English word. It's a fun and powerful way to build vocabulary without translating.
You can even make it a game. See how many pictures you can name in 1 minute.
That's a great idea, Jason. Making learning fun is so important.
Okay, so we have naming objects and using pictures. These help with single words. But what about sentences? Sentences are harder.
They are. So we start with very simple sentences. That's tip number 3.
How simple?
Think about how you feel. Are you happy?
I'm very happy right now.
Great. So you feel this emotion, happiness, and you connect it directly to the English sentence, I am happy.
Oh, so I connect the feeling directly to the English phrase.
Exactly. Don't think, how do I say I am happy in my language? Just feel happy, think, I am happy.
I love that. So if I feel tired, I can think, I am tired.
Yes. Or when your stomach makes a noise, think, I am hungry.
My stomach makes a lot of noise, so this is good practice for me.
Same here. And you can do this with simple actions too.
Actions like what?
When you drink a glass of water, think, I drink water.
As I'm doing it?
Yes, at the exact moment. You lift the glass, drink, and in your mind you say, I drink water.
Wow, that's like narrating my life in English.
Exactly. When you open a door, I open the door. When you sit, I sit down.
That makes so much sense. You're connecting the action directly to the English phrase. No translation.
Yes, a direct link. And the more you do it, the faster your brain adjusts.
So it just takes practice, doing it again and again.
That's the key. A little bit every day. It feels strange at first, but soon it becomes natural.
Okay, we've done words and sentences. What else helps? What's tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is a fun one. Watch and listen to simple English.
Like what, this podcast?
Yes, absolutely this podcast. But also things with pictures, like cartoons for children.
Cartoons. That's a great idea. Why are they so good for learning?
Because they're visual. You see the characters moving, doing actions, talking. The pictures help you understand instantly.
And the language is super simple.
Exactly. You hear things like, hello, let's go, look, a ball. And you can see the ball on the screen.
Ah, so my brain connects the sound ball with the picture of the ball.
You got it. And because the cartoon moves quickly, there's no time to translate. You just understand.
So this is passive learning. I'm just watching something fun, but my brain is learning English?
Yes, and simple English songs help too, especially kids' songs with actions, like head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
That one is a classic, and it really works. You remember the words because you're doing the movements.
Exactly. So find a simple cartoon or children's song and watch it for 10 to 15 minutes a day. It feels like fun, but it trains your brain to understand English directly.
I love all these tips. They're so practical. But Emily, be honest, is it easy to stop translating?
That's such an important question. And it brings us to our final tip. Tip number 5, be patient.
Be patient.
Yes, learning to think in English is like learning to walk. At first, you fall. You make mistakes. It feels slow. It feels hard.
That's true. No one stands up and runs a marathon on day 1.
Exactly. You take one small step at a time. It's the same with English. You've been translating in your head for years. It's a habit.
And habits are hard to change.
Yes, so you need to be patient and kind to yourself. If you catch yourself translating, don't say, I'm bad at English. Instead say, oops, I translated. Let me try again. That's it.
Kindness is important in learning. So, small steps every day. 5 minutes of objects, 1 cartoon, a few simple sentences.
Yes, small, consistent steps. Progress is more important than perfection.
I love that. A little victory every day.
Yes, and remember, mistakes are good. Mistakes are teachers. They show us what to practice.
So mistakes are not the bad guys, they're the good guys. They help us grow.
Exactly.
Okay, let's review the 5 tips quickly.
Tip 1. Start small with single words. Name objects around you.
Tip 2. Use pictures, flashcards with images to connect directly to English.
Tip 3. Use simple sentences. Connect your feelings and actions to English phrases.
Tip 4. Watch simple English, cartoons, kids' songs, this podcast.
Tip 5, be patient. Small steps every day. Think in very simple English sentences. Connect your feelings like, I am happy, or actions like, I drink water, directly to the English words.
Good job. Now, what about tip number 4?
The fun one. Watch and listen to simple English. Cartoons and children's songs are perfect because you can see what is happening while hearing the words.
Yes, exactly. And the final, most important tip?
Be patient with yourself. It's a new skill. It takes time. It's okay to make mistakes. Be kind to your brain.
That's it. You summarized it perfectly, Emily. It's all about practice, patience, and making those direct connections.
And over time, that fast road in your brain gets bigger and stronger. Thinking in English becomes easier and more natural.
It really does. Your conversations will improve, and you'll be able to listen and respond much faster.
That's the goal for everyone listening, to have real, natural conversations.
Yes, exactly. And it all starts with one word, one object.
Your pen.
My pen. I'm looking at it now and just thinking, pen.
That's great. You're doing it. This was such a fantastic topic. Thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Emily. And a big thank you to all of our amazing listeners for joining us today.
Yes, we hope these tips help you on your English journey. Please don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Every Day so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you like this episode, please share it with a friend. Sharing is caring.
It sure is. And we have a fun question for you. Please leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you see right now.
Oh, I love that idea. Look around you and write one English word in the comments. Is it a window, a phone, a plant?
We're so excited to read your answers and see what you see.
It's going to be so much fun.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today. Keep practicing and be patient.
Yes, you're doing a great job. See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.